Hi, everyone. I'm Michael, and I'm the CEO at Inkit, and
I'm Matt, the CTO at Inkit.
So really high level, just to give you guys a quick overview of what we do. We are part of the app catalog here at Second Front. And what we do very high level is we do zero trust document generation on demand. So what does that mean? Really high level, we solve the problem of being able to generate things like reports and documents across both government as well as the commercial sector. A few of the things that we do very differently are we have a zero trust, zero knowledge security mindset at the forefront of everything we do. And in addition to that, we allow for things like disappearing documents as well as retention timers so that when a document or a file is actually generated, we can expire that after a certain number of views or a certain amount of time to make sure that only certain people are seeing those types of documents.
Yeah, we basically wrapped access control around the generated document. So you can choose specifically who can see the document, specifically who you can share the document with, and then additional security features like expiring documents, right?
Correct. So just like an example use case of this, for today, we have a customer, the US Air Force. And so some of the ideas that, or where this could be applied federally on the federal side is generating things like personnel records, generating things like mission briefings, even when a plane lands, doing like a post-flight checklist. There's a lot of things inside both the government and even for those of us here from the commercial sector, whether it's a bank or an insurance company or a healthcare company, there's a lot of things that are generated into a document or generated into a PDF. And what we do is we protect and securely generate that PDF and maintain it, which is a really big challenge when you think about past incidents like WikiLeaks or even a few weeks ago, the Massachusetts National Guard. We'd like to think that we'd be able to solve those types of problems that the government currently faces. So any questions just from the audience? Any hands? Yes, so we're a part of the Tradewin marketplace, and we can be acquired through that. We also have sole source through a number of SIBRs that we've been awarded. So that's just a couple other ways that we can people can procure us. Great question. Any other questions from the audience?
Also do non-repudiation.
It does, yes. And we can redact as well and change and actually create different documents based on a clearance level or an access level. So you might see one thing and person X over there might see a different thing. So any other questions from the audience? This is a quick talk. I know Tyler's got a... All right. Well, that's us. Feel free to reach out if there's any other questions, and I'll hand the mic back to Tyler.